Unboxing gifts for Hopi, part 13. So this one is from Ellen and Connor. So I'm gonna put their IG page here. But this is a bassinet and I'm so excited guys because it's so aesthetic. And they also sent, I think, clothes to mga accessories. Oh my gosh, shoes! Aww, it's so pretty. Hala, ang cute oh. Cute! So pretty. Ang ganda. It's so nice. I'm so excited. Hala! Hala! And then, aww. I'm gonna cry. Because ang cute ng gamit ng baby, especially if baby girl. And then, ang dami. Thank you, Miss Shad. So cute lang. Oy! Pink! 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 Ang cute. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. Ah! Here, I'm gonna put P here. It's so cute, guys. It's so pretty. Ayan. Hala. Aww. It's a baby basket and then may ganto. Ino-open ba to? I don't know. Hindi ata, ganto na ata siya. Ganto na siya, no? Thank you. Ang cute! Lalagay ko si P inside. What's this? Wala. Packaging. Okay. Thank you so much. Ay, ang cute. Lalagay ko siya here. Pagka gusto ko siya isama sa Pilates ko, dito ko siya ilalagay. Para, you know, very coquette pa rin. Very baby. So, thank you po. Thank you so much. Cute. Aww. Guys, wait lang. Nare-remove pala siya. Kaya pala there's tapes. It's like this pala. It's a basket. Like, literally. Ay, ang cute. Thank you so much. Cute. Ang cute. Ay, ganda siya. Ganda siya. Picture na.